Welcome to my 5th grade Google Classroom. I'm going to introduce you to my online formative assessment. As you can see, here's my page, Mrs. D's 5th grade. And the assignment is the Boston Tea Party skit, due June 8. Create a fictional family in 1773 that includes a husband, wife, sons, or daughters. Students will create a script for a skit which discusses the family's reaction to the Boston Tea Party. This discussion will need to contain both the patriot and loyalist point of view. The students will need to make reference to two events that happened prior to the Boston Tea Party. Each group will be assigned a Google Doc for their skit. Each student will be responsible for creating their own lines, and a color will be chosen for each student. So now I will take you to the Google Doc page, Boston Tea Party skit. As you will see here, there'll be the same directions on this document. There's a group number, the students who are involved in the group, and then the color that each character should be when the lines are created, and they can decide that on their own. This assessment will help students understand multiple events that led up to the American Revolution. Students will be also able to understand multiple perspectives on this topic. Using this information I receive from this assessment, I may have to adjust my lesson plans or lessons moving forward. Let's go back to my classroom page. I'm introducing Google Classroom as a YouTube video because educational institutions have to authorize the use of it. You have to have a G Suite for Education username. I was able to create my Google Classroom with my own personal account, Google account. And that is my formal assessment on Google Classroom. Thank you.